And there is your falafel and halloumi cheese wrap.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Mos. As you know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, I'm gonna be cooking. What am I cooking? I'm gonna be making a wrap. That's gonna include some halloumi cheese and some falafel. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel at MosToosifar. Follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well. And also at the end of the video, if you watch it all the way, if you didn't enjoy it, make sure you give me one of these, alright? Okay, here's what you want to start off with. Get that. Get your tomato. Get a small bowl. And then you got your cucumber. Chop that side off. And we're going to say about that much we're going to need. Right. All you want to do, unpeel it, get rid of that, okay? You want to chop it 1 time, chop it 2 times, right? And again, and again. Once that's done, line it up, okay? There's that, yeah? Get that in there. Really don't need that many, but there you go. In terms of your tomato, boom, dig it out. Cut it up into small. I should have sharpened my knife. Pour it in there. Okay. You just simply need a bit of pepper, pinch of salt. You want to get some dry mint as well. That'll do. And then, well, that's the end of that. There you go. Now that is what you're going to put in your sandwich, right? Get a bit of oil in there. I've got these falafels. Just put them in the just pour it in there. One or 2 minutes, it should be done. Get your halloumi cheese out there. And now, it's time to unfold this bad boy. Yeah? Okay. Before it's too late, what you want to do, you don't leave it in there too long. Just quickly get these old bad boys. Yeah, oh, damn. Get them out. Save them. Save them while you can. Now, on the same pan, put in the halloumi cheese. So, here's what you need. Get a bread. I'm going to get some hummus. Okay? So what you want to do now is get some falafel. Okay? You want to get a fork, just mash it, yeah? Okay? And then, look at that. Would you just look at that? That's good. I'm going to turn that off. Right. I'm going to take these off because they're all done and I don't want that. Right. So what you're going to do, get a couple of these. Okay. Look at that. Amazing. Isn't it? Isn't it just? One more there. Beautiful, beautiful. That's fine. Get this out of the way. Now, you want to get your salad with some of its juice as well. Just like so. There you go. And to top it off, I've got some tahini sauce. Yeah. There you go. Beautiful. Now, time to be served. Roll up this bad boy. Okay. Get rid of that. Put your plate in there like so. Give it a nice clean cut. Oh, we'll just get a little bit of salad. Oops. Not too many. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You might want to do a little bit of better presentation than that. And there is your falafel and halloumi cheese wrap. Bon appetit. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come